Hello students, I welcome you all in your EVS class. Children, have a look on this cloth. Can you find something? What is it? Yes, it's beautiful, right? Then something else. What is beautiful about it? What is there in it? It's having beautiful design, right? Then see it very carefully. You can find small mirrors on it. Yes, it seems very colorful and beautiful. Yes, children. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 23, A Beautiful Cloth. It's a small story, very small story, where one small girl is there. Her name is Sajida. Okay, let's see. Sajida's sister gave her a very beautiful dupatta. What do you mean by dupatta, children? See, this girl is also wearing a black color dupatta. What is it? This part is dupatta. Okay, this black part, যেটাকে আমরা বাংলায় বলে থাকি উন্না. Okay, the dupatta had beautiful embroidery and small mirror stuck on it that we have seen in the first picture itself. Again, you see, children, here you can find beautiful colors, embroidery work has been done. This design, different pattern has been followed, right? Along with it, small mirrors. You can find small mirrors. See these small mirrors which are glittering, which are giving shine. It's small mirrors. Okay, here you can find this cloth is so beautiful. It has been designed in a best way. Such a beautiful embroidery has been done, and small mirrors are also giving shine on it, right? After finishing dinner, Sajida tried to wear the dupatta in different ways. I know many of the girls are doing this at their home. Even when I was small, I used to do this. Many of us are having this habit like Sajida to wear dupatta in different ways. My small niece had also tried it. I am showing her picture or her image to you all. See, she had wore a small dupatta in a form of sari. She is so small, that's why she used my dupatta for wearing a sari. In this way, we also tried in this way, right? Like when I was small, I also used to wear my mom's dupatta, then my father's lungi, my father's shirt. In this way, we are using our elders' cloth and treating our acting as an elder person, right? Like that only Sajida is also trying to wear that dupatta in different ways. Soon she got tired playing with the dupatta and fell asleep wearing it. As she was trying in different ways, she tried different methods, she tried different styles, and after doing that, she was tired enough and fell asleep wearing it. What happened? She fell asleep. Now she is very tired and she is feeling sleep. See this picture carefully, children. Here you can find that beautiful cloth, she used it, that dupatta itself, and wearing it and sleeping by using it. She's see carefully her face, children. You can find that she is in a deep sleep, right? She was thinking about the dupatta even in her dreams. She was even thinking in her dreams that how this beautiful cloth has been made. Yes, children, she was keeping on thinking as she was using that dupatta for full evening, full night. Now she is thinking in her dreams also about it. In her dream, she is thinking how this beautiful cloth has been made. Children, you can tell how it has been made. Anyone? What has been used to do this thing? Something is used, right? What is that? How do you think Sajida's dupatta was made, children? The same question I am asking again. Yes, something is used. What is it? Can you recall? Or can you identify, or can you say? What is used first while stitching, children? Something is needed. What is it? Yes, it is needle and thread. Needle is the main thing which is used for stitching, right? See this big thing, a sharp, it is having one sharp pointed part which is used to stitch, right? It is used to stitch. It helps a person to make design, it helps a person to do stitching, right? First thing which is needed is thread and needle. Okay, then the cloth is used and design is been made on it. See, in this picture you can find that here some outline, some design has been made with different color. Yes, on this design this stitching has been done. Can you see background? Once some design has been done, black outline is given. Yes, so first we have to draw on a paper or draw on a piece of cloth. Then on that drawing we have to do stitching with the help of needle and thread. Okay children, this thing you will try in your home and you will find that what else you can do with this dupatta. Okay children, take a dupatta or a long piece of unstitched cloth you have to take. Okay, take a dupatta or a long piece of unstitched cloth, wrap it in different ways. In how many ways could you wear it? Yes children, here three things has been asked to you to do. First, they have said that you have to take a dupatta or a long piece of unstitched cloth, means a piece of cloth which is not stitched. Okay, like a few clothes has been used to make your frock, then your pant, your shirt, your t-shirt. There is one pattern, but as it is said that unstitched cloth, that means a plain cloth is been you have to use it or a dupatta, and you have to you have to try different ways. In how many ways you can wear it, you have to write it. Okay children, in how many ways you can wear it, it has been asked. Okay, yes children, tell me how many ways you can. A long piece of cloth is been used, in what way, or a dupatta has been given to you, in which way you can wear it children? Yes, first example, sari. Very good. Sari, see this, a piece of cloth or a piece of dupatta can be used to wear sari, right? How this girl has been this girl or this auntie, not this auntie, this is a girl, this girl has wear, see carefully, in such way we can also wear sari. Okay, you will try these things at your home. Okay, by taking a big dupatta of mom, you people will try to wear it. Yes children, second, you might have seen your grandfather or your father to wear this. What is it? It is lungi, right? A piece of cloth or a piece of dupatta or a dupatta can be used to wear lungi too, right? Boys, you people can try, even girls can also try. If you are having a piece of dupatta, you can wear it like a lungi, you can wear it like a sari. Okay, you have to try this. Anything else children, what else we can make with this dupatta or a piece of cloth? Can you recall? Yes, it can also be used to make a turban. What is it? Turban means what children? Punjabis, you might have seen Punjabis are wearing it. Punjabis are wearing it, right? You might have seen it, that Punjabis are wearing it. See this, pagdi. This pagdi is known as turban, right? In English we call it as a turban. We mostly have seen it in Punjabis. Even children, you have seen Swami Vivekananda. Yes, even he used to wear this turban in his head, right? Yes. Even for wearing it, you need a piece of cloth or a dupatta, but it should be little bit longer, more bigger. And even children, a big hero of your cartoon is also wearing this long piece of cloth. Can you recall who is that? Long piece of cloth or unstitched cloth has been used by one of the cartoon character who is a hero. We call him as an hero. Who is he? कौन है वो? केश है? He lives in Dholakpur. Who is he? Yes, he is Chota Bheem, right? Even he is wearing this dhoti, which is made up of cloth. Yes, unstitched cloth, right? Yes. So children, we have seen four items over here. That is unstitched cloth, which is used to wear. That is, first we have seen sari. Then children, secondly, what we have seen? Secondly, we have seen lungi. Thirdly, turban. Yes. And lastly, we have seen dhoti. Anything else? If you know, you can write and send it to me, or you can comment it. Okay, if you know anything else which can be wore by you or any of other by with the help of piece of cloth. Okay, children. Yes, children, in this chapter we have seen till now we have seen about different ways of wearing a piece of cloth, right? And even we have understood that for doing embroidery or for stitching work, what things we take, that is needle and thread. Okay, even we need cloth, right? We are using pencils or paints to make design. We need design, we need cloth, we need the main thing which we need to do stitching, that is needle and thread. Okay. Yes, children. In this beautiful cloth, we have seen a small girl, Sajida, right? She was very much happy with that piece of cloth or that dupatta which her sister has given to her, right? I know you people are also very happy to wear mom's sari or mom's dupatta. I know this thing very well, but you will try this thing at your home, like my niece. She had tried, even like her, you people can also try. Okay, try it, and after trying it, just have a click, okay, and send it to me. Okay, children. Everyone, stay blessed and happy always. Listen to your parents and elders. Eat fresh fruits and vegetables. As you know, it's a winter season. You may have seen that father is bringing fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, but you people are not eating it. Okay. In your daily diet, you should consume it. Okay, children. Drink lukewarm water and milk. Children, along with water, you should also drink milk. Do exercise and keep yourself healthy. Take care of your plants, those kitchen gardening which you have done, give it water. Okay, children. For today only this much. Thank you.